Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, JAMAICA'S? Here with another reaction. And today, guys, we take a flight in the UK. You know, say only a couple artists can get me coming to the UK just like that, right? Only a couple artists can do that, right? And Bugzy is one of them. So we're here with Bugzy, Big Steppin. Bugzy, Big Steppin. Let's jump in. I want to hear what the G has said. Let's go. What about UK? Let's go.
Yo, here we go. Ah, shit.
Here we go again.
Yeah, man. Bugzy Malone.
Don't know. You know? Watch this.
You know? Watch this.
Ah, yeah,
See,
listen to
my
that.
JDZ Spitfire's always getting replayed. I've come a long way from my '08 3 days. I used
Yo, the boss found a long way, bro. Sorry for pausing so, but him found a long way. From what? Him had the 3 days. Shit.
to have the crop gap for the guys always getting replayed. I've come a long way from my '08 3 days. I used to have the crop gap for the green like I was T-Way. So my JDZ Spitfire's always getting replayed. I've come a long way from my '08 3 days. I used to have the crop gap for the green like I was CJ.
Yo, the boss have trainers in a fucking JDs, bro. Boss I tell the same for a long way. Just checking journey, checking track record. Bugzy's not somebody to play with, bro. He's not somebody to play with.
I've come a long way from my '08 3 days.
No.
I used to have the crop gap for the green like I was CJ.
Yeah.
They let you freestyle on the showroom when they been paid. Everybody's falling off. Me, I like to maintain. I guess that makes me a big dog. Call me the Great Dane.
Everybody falling off. Everybody falling off. The boss still there. Call him who? Big dog.
Everybody's falling off. Me, I like to maintain. I guess that makes me a big dog. Call me the Great Dane. Them man blew their money on their side chicks and their champagne. I wanted the latest mobile for my back cave.
Them pussy a blow them money pan gyal and champagne. Them blow them money pan gyal and champagne. When blow money pan? Rides, fat whips, and houses.
Them man blew their money on their side chicks and their champagne. I wanted the latest mobile for my back cave. I broke up with my ex of 10 years. That was a deep pain. Now I'm single. All these slots of gas like I'm methane.
Oh, nigga, you single now, bro? Shit. Me serious, let me see your post an engagement when they ask her for my that mash up, dog. The way they at them say only salvation lasts forever, so big up yourself, G.
I broke up with my ex of 10 years, that was a deep pain. Now I'm single, all these slots of gas like I'm methane. Fuck them and the OnlyFans, tell that bitch to behave. Me, I want a 10-10, I can spoil on her B-day.
Yeah. Fuck you and your OnlyFans. Now nothing to do with that. Yeah. What you want? What you want? A 10-10.
Fuck them and the OnlyFans, tell that bitch to behave. Me, I want a 10-10, I can spoil on her B-day. Me, I want a 10-10 with some morals and a clean slate. I was still in school back when Shelly had the 12 gauge.
Yo, this song just started. 1 minute into this song. My favorite line so far. Listen to the line now.
Me, I want a 10-10 with some morals and a clean slate. I
want a 10-10 with some morals and a clean slate. Some of them girls know what? Take out my glasses, because I'm not trouble, you know. Some of them girls know no bumbuckler morals, bro. Them all there Dubai and make man a shit in them mouth, dog. And so them a girl have for money, dog, for the bag. For the Birkin. Man a shit in them mouth. Me no want them girl, no. Me no want no dolly. Me no want no dolly and pop off, dolly fake. Me no want no Barbie. You have some of them girls full up them lip with beer lip. Me no want no neither. Who no too hard for maintain, no plastic. Who no plastic. But guess what I want? Real man. Suck on the mama. Suck on the mama. Oh, no one real man. Where real man then? No fake, no blood clot. Let's go.
Me, I want a 10-10, I can spoil on her B-day.
Yeah!
Me, I want a 10-10 with some morals and a clean slate.
Yeah!
I was still in school back when Shelly had the 12 gauge. I was on the block back when Gas was still a madman. I was outside Jay's when the Nina went bang bang. And he think I'm not from gang life. I remember watching man get stabbed to bits one night outside a party and your man died. Heard the doctors brought him back to life. Mustn't have been time. They wonder why I always have my knife. Why do you think I'm big?
Yo, the boss, I walked through the mall. Obviously, the G there right here, so I play the track on the thing for him to do the video. The whole mall stop, bro. Everybody stop, G. Like, when the G stepping at anywhere, brother, you have to turn that attention. The G is there. Fuck. Put some respect on Bugzy name. Put some respect on the Bumbuckler boss name.
Heard the doctors brought him back to life, mustn't have been time.
No,
You
that.
wonder why I always have my knife, why do you think I'm stepping? 24, no messing. He wants to be the king of the north. God bless him, now they're calling me the great British dream. I used to think that I was tricky like Ronaldo, but I think I'm more messy. I don't
To reference to the two goats there. Yo!
calling me the great British dream. I used to think that I was tricky like Ronaldo, but I think I'm more messy.
Messy.
I don't think my lyrics could get any more techie, and I used to have water with my porridge for my brekkie. I banged
Used to have water, my porridge from a brekkie. Boss, I tell you when forward from nothing.
on my jail cell door when I got Aggie. Now I have a little drop of Guinness in my Maggie. This is big step.
You know it. If you know, you know it. But some have a little drop of Guinness in a Maggie. If you know, you know. I have to explain it. Not say 40. Not say 40.
Down my jail cell door when I got Aggie. Now I have a little drop of Guinness in my Maggie. This is big stepping. I'm in deep, no rest. I hear he wants to be like me. God bless, and now they're calling me an entrepreneur. I used to think that I was good at playing checkers, but I think it's more chess. I don't think my haters could get any more vexed. Enemies, I'm not sure that I got any more left. I just murdered 23 and I'll do 24 next.
I just murdered 23 and I'll do 24 next. Guess what I'm talking about? 2023, murder that. 24 is on the way. We're here.
I'm not sure that I got any more left. I just murdered 23 and I'll do 24 next.
Yeah.
Let that sink in. Yo,
Sink in.
My old brethren tried to shoot his cousin, caught a bird, and by caught a bird, I don't mean a pheasant. It's funny, cause that same cousin smacked me in my mouth, but when I got out of jail, I stuck it on his toes with no weapons. So
You hear that? You hear that? Boss is about this life, dog.
old brethren tried to shoot his cousin, caught a bird, and by
The old Bridget tried to shoot him, Bridget. The old Bridget tried to shoot him cousin and caught a bird. In no mean pheasant when him say bird, he mean prison time.
let that sink in. Yo, I heard my old brethren tried to shoot his cousin, caught a bird, and by caught a bird, I don't mean a pheasant.
No.
It's funny, cause that same cousin smacked me in my mouth, but when I got out of jail, I stuck it on his toes with no weapons. Suddenly it looked like he got hit with bad depression. He said, why do you want to fight? I told him, stop asking me questions.
What you mean? After you smack me in my mouth, and me do some unrelated thing to you smacking in my mouth and me end up a prison and me come back out and me pull up on your foot and ask me when I want to fight? Pussy, me not want to fight, me want to kill you. Bright, you bright, pussy, me not take a lick.
Suddenly it looked like he got hit with bad depression. He
Rude.
said, why do you want to fight? I told him, stop asking me questions. And why? It's because I had to learn my lessons. It's ironic when you're trying to be a king, but you came up from a peasant. My Southside nigga called life and I could see it coming. He told me that he could see demons in his dreams. He was in and out of jail, always knocking on my mum's. I'd be standing at my window with my flicky in my jeans. He'd be like, what, bro, can we get this pee? I just hear pee and hit the roads and that was on repeat. It's ironic when you're trying to get this money to live free, but you risk getting incarcerated for a couple G's. Family ain't your family when you catch your family stealing. I'm a man now, that means I'm never in my feelings. Shout out Hammer season, I just smashed the glass ceiling. PTSD's really got my heart bleeding. P is for the problems that the money couldn't pay for. T is for the trauma and the psychotic behavior. S is for the stress that's got you praying to your savior. D is because drug dealing puts you in danger.
PTSD, the boss tell you what the meaning of feeling PTSD. Him telling a dog.
P is for the problems that the money couldn't pay for.
Problem.
T is for the trauma and the psychotic behavior.
Trauma.
S is for the stress that's got you praying to your savior.
Stress.
D is because drug dealing puts you in danger.
Yeah.
Get about the dough, me, I'm only just healing. I look at the Storato and I get a mad feeling. It's a 270 grand car. I'm only at the top because I really work hard. I done my due diligence, I really read books. I read The Art of War and it taught me how to develop a strategy. They wonder why there's not a rapper in my category. Don't need a university, I learned to play Monopoly.
There's no rapper in the boss category in the UK where I do it like Bugzy like enough rapper cap in them rap. Bugzy no cap, bro. Bugzy show him life, bro. Bugzy sing him life from nothing him a sing. When him have nothing, no him have something him a sing about him something when him have when he didn't have nothing he was singing about his nothing. Get it? Bugzy sing him life. There's no cap in him rap.
They wonder why there's not a rapper in my category.
Shit.
Don't need a university, I learned to play Monopoly.
Shit.
I'm employing staff now, salaries and that. I go shopping on Knightsbridge, galleries and that. I spent 100 on statues to decorate my gap. I called it the House of Vision.
Boss ain't spend 100 grand on statue. When him shop at Knightsbridge. Yeah, dog. Decorate him house.
Bridge, galleries and that. I spent 100 on statues to decorate my gaff. I called it the House of Vision because I seen it in the past. That's what I call the fragrance on my
House of Vision. Him call him House of Vision because him see it in him past. So when time he had nothing, him see that. Him vision the house there and also say, yo, something like that I want. He must have living dreams.
to decorate my gaff. I called it the House of Vision because I seen it in the past. That's what I call the fragrance. I'm a hustler from the pavement. I went Gucci for a double-breasted suit, got it engraved. If you're hating, then you're hating. There's no success without patience. I don't watch all the smiling because most of it is fake. I don't know if they're ready for the message. Is it time yet? I said the sky is the limit. Be inspired is the mindset. And it's the year of the great British dream when an independent rapper's on your cinema screen. You wanna see the trainers? I just put in JD and the album's like the great British blueprint on how to succeed.
Yo, the album is like the great British blueprint on how to succeed. First him say, yo, you want to see this trainers when put in a JD, dog. Like contracts, bro. Come on, man.
Trainers, I just put in JD and the album's like the great British blueprint on how to succeed. I've got a message for the rich. I'm like Robin Hood and I'm coming up quick. In my school there was tough guys and boisterous kids. In my jail there was tough guys and lunatics. I was locked up with a brother that just lost his shit. Chill with his little brother on the block and shit. He said one night his stepdad man handled his mother, so he must have went home and backed out his stick. He must have wigged him with the axe. I'm talking blood up the walls. I came up with some maniacs. I said he wigged him with the axe. I hope that they release him soon. My brother, I relate to that. Bugzy Malone, the great British dream. Yeah. Got a message for the rich. I'm like Robin Hood and I'm coming up quick. In my school there was tough guys and boisterous kids. In my jail there was tough guys and lunatics. I was locked up with a brother that just lost his shit. Chill with his little brother on the block and shit.
You're the party, dog. You're the party.
He said one night his stepdad man handled his mother, so he must have went home and backed out his stick. He must have...
The stepfather put hands on the mother. Stepfather angry mother, so he went home and backed out his stick.
One night his stepdad man handled his mother, so he must have went home and backed out his stick. He must have wigged him with the axe. I'm talking blood up the walls. I came up with some maniacs. I said he wigged him with the axe. I hope that they release him soon. My brother, I relate to that. Bugzy Malone, the great British dream. Yeah.
This grime hot. Buckler. Mobo! See it there? Be Malone's.
Yeah, man.
Fucking hell, look what things about step on, dog. The boss I tell you him, listen that, look, watch her. Best grime act. Nominee for best grime act, see? Bugzy that. Alright? Mobo awards, alright? Then, you flick on to this. No online, in selected stores. JD Sports, bro. Available. Yo, dog. Look on the boss fragrance, bro. That fragrance shop. The biggest perfume shop in the UK. The boss in it, bro.
Bugzy Malone.
Be Malone. Tracksuits.
Watch this.
Yo, that youth here do. Yo, bumbuckler. You know see why me have to fly to the UK for Bugzy, right? You know see why me have to take a trip to the UK, right? Bugzy, brother. Bugzy do them thing, bro. Bugzy, I'm a G from them time till now, fam. From here, Bugzy rap about him G from Jamaica. Dane, where tragically lost him life, bro. Bugzy just know say, yo, you're getting a loyal fan right here, bro. Yeah, just know that, my fam. You see me? Bugzy sing his life stories, dog. Enough rapper capping of them rap, bro. So me can't relate to them. Me can't relate to Bugzy though. Me can't relate to Bugzy. And we're seeing Bugzy growth on our screens. With a phone screen, TV screen, whatever screen, you see Bugzy growth. Bugzy is that guy, bro. No fucking joke. Bugzy is that guy. Bugzy, big up yourself, yeah, dog. Now, this is how I'm going to leave down still. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more from LG, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new, guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bumbleclot.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.